I'm gonna show you how to create this camper van layout in vanspace in under 10 minutes. Let's get started. All right, so our first step is going to be to put on a nice wall material, as well as a nice hardwood flooring here. And then we can get going on putting in some furniture. So I'm gonna want actually a bench style, U-bench style furniture piece here, or bed, so that we have a little garage in the back. All right, next we're going to put in a shower. So we're going to just grab a shower piece here. Now all of these can be broken apart if you want to customize them, but I'm just going to leave it default for now. Okay, once our shower's in, we're going to need some kitchen cabinets. So I'm going to start dropping cabinets in. As you can see, there's a ton to choose from, but I actually have a series that I want to use. I'm going to use the modern cabinet series. And we're going to find one to drop into this space here. And as you can see, it's a little bit too small, so we're going to have to resize it. All right, so that's the one piece we have. All right, so we're going to need a second piece now that we've got that in right here. Next thing we can do is put a sink on it. And I'm going to select actually a sink with burner combo, just because it's really good for saving space. We can put that in there. Okay, so while we're here, let's put in a RV faucet. I want this small one because we're all about saving space on this build, because we do have that full-size bathroom. So we're going to have to save space in other areas. We got that full bathroom there. All right, so next step, I'm going to actually put in some upper cabinets here. So I'm going to make our working area a little bit higher. And I want a full row of cabinets. And then the final cabinet here is going to have to be a little bit bigger. So we'll just drag it out. All right, so now that we got our base furniture pieces in, let's start like customizing the colors of them. I think I want to go with more of a lighter look, maybe a boho style look on this. So actually just going to get a nice simple white paint on all the furniture. I think it looks really good and clean. Okay, so here's our design. Now we can finish it off with some accessorizing. So what I'm going to do here is just put some things on top of the table, maybe like a coffee mug. And in the back here, we can put some storage possibly. So maybe like a water container, jerry can. Let's get some water. We'll get a generator in the back, so we can like visualize some of our storage there. And then let's get a coat hanger. We have some space on this wall here, so I'm just actually going to bring a coat hanger onto this shower wall here. And it's too big, so we'll just scale it down. All right, I think that looks good. Just utilize all the spaces. And now that I see that there's a bit of a gap here where we can maybe have some more space. Put a modern cabinet here without any doors, so there's just like some extra shelving in this area here. So add some butcher block. All right, I'm going to keep accessorizing this van that we just made. If you want to design your own camper conversion, then you can check out the link below to get started with vanspace.